Yeah, I know my makeup is very awful. That's why I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to show you how to remove your makeup the proper way. So come on. Everything that you're going to need: micellar water, and you're going to need some cotton pads, cleanser that you use daily. What I'm going to do right now is cleanse my face first with my soap, and then I'm going to use it to get whatever is left. So guys, I'm using my CeraVe soap, my cleanser. It's in the soap format, so oh dang. I'm going to use my cleanser brush. My face is all washed. I'm going to use this now to just finish getting the eye makeup off. Hold it for a few seconds just so it could seep in. Okay. What is it? What do you want? What do you want? Sit, mama, sit. Sit down. Sit, baby, sit. Sit, baby. So even when I washed my face, the makeup did not come off from my eyes. Let's do this and see what is on my face. And you can do this a few times until your cotton pad is like completely clean. Then you know that your face is also clean. I need to do it one more time because obviously it's not clean. And after you finish washing your face, getting the makeup off, you can just go ahead and just do your normal skincare routine. So guys, that's how you clean your face after applying makeup. If you want to see what my skincare routine looks like, you just go ahead and click this video right here. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you. Subscribe. What are you saying? No. No.